Do you have a blog on your website and you are struggling to monetize your blog? Well, I'm going to introduce you to two platforms that's going to help you to create that passive income that you desire from your blog. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharita Deloach, and on this channel, I talk about how to turn your skills into cash by providing you with passive income tips for writers, publishing professionals, as well as service providers. Make sure you go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also hit that notification bell so when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. Let's get into it. So today's platforms I'm going to talk about today are Medium and Substack. I'm going to tell you from experience, I absolutely love Medium. I am on Medium every single day, multiple times a day. Medium for me is an outlet where I can showcase my genius, also, of course, be myself and make some friends along the way. Now, I am on Substack, but I have not dived more into that platform as of yet to see the benefits. However, I am looking at other creators from afar, and there's definitely some benefit to having a Substack account. Okay. But let's first get into the benefits of repurposing your blog content. If you already have blogs on your website, it's going to help you to save time and effort. So repurposing your content saves you from creating entirely new content. You can actually probably come from a different spin than the blog post that you already have. Also, it helps you to reach a wider audience. There's specific audiences that are on Medium. There are specific audiences that are on Substack. People have the opportunity to follow you and you can follow them back as well. Also, that SEO, we can't forget about SEO. Backlinks to your blog can improve its search ranking. So, when you are searching for something on the internet, so especially on Google, you're going to find that your results will come up in a Medium article. So, just think about someone searching for a particular subject and they need the answer and they see your Medium blog comes up. Absolutely. Now I'm going to be honest, I have not yet to see Substack come up as far as SEO is concerned, but they're kind of both different, but you're definitely going to see Medium. Okay. Now let's explore Medium. Let's talk about Medium for a second. Again, I am biased because I love Medium. I've been on the platform since December of 2023. And Medium definitely focuses on content. Of course, you want to write articles. They do not have to be long articles. They can be short articles. There's also publications. You can be a part of publications. I actually write for 5 different publications as well as write on my own timeline. So you have your timeline, you have your followers that you follow. You also have the timeline of the publications. You can also create your own publication as well on Medium, especially when you get to a certain amount of followers. That's another way that you can monetize your writing and for other people as well. Now, Medium does have a partner program, so where authors can earn from the claps, from the follows, from the subscriptions. You can earn from people reading your stories. So how long they stay on your stories, if they highlight things on your stories. There's a couple of things that you will qualify for the partner program. So you can definitely earn a good amount of money income every single month on Medium just from writing. And not just writing, you got to converse with other people. It's actually a community, so you have to participate. Okay, so you have to take some time to participate on the platform. It's basically you going to sow what you want to reap. If you want to reap engagement, you're going to have to sow engagement. If you want to reap followers, you're going to have to sow and follow other people as well. So you can definitely curate some opportunities for wider exposure. Like I said, being a part of publications is another great way for you to get in the eyes in front of other people that would absolutely love your writing. Okay. Now let's talk about Substack for just a moment. I am on Substack and I have seen from afar some of my Medium friends use Substack as well. One in particular, his name is JR. He actually uses Substack to allow people like myself. I subscribe to his Substack, so I pay $5 a month, and he shares exclusive content from him writing and publishing his book, which is with books with the S, which is something I'm thinking about doing as well. So I love being a part of his Substack because you get to see behind the scenes on what he's doing, and he shares resources. He's sharing things that he would never share on any other platform. Okay. So you can think about using Substack as a subscription type of model for a particular target audience. You can use Substack in different ways. You can have a free tier and you can have paid as well. But there are some individuals that are really making a killing over at Substack. And I look at it too as like another way that you can create or curate a newsletter, a paid newsletter. You can use Substack. So it's worth exploring and looking into. Both of the platforms have their benefits as far as monetization is concerned. Substack does not have a partner program like Medium. Medium has a partner program which the platform pays you for individuals reading and engaging with your posts and things like that, with your articles. Substack, you make money based on a subscription. People that subscribe to your newsletter, or they subscribe to you and the information that you are given. So I said, give it a try. They both serve different purposes for different things, and it just takes some strategy for you to sit down and see, okay, how is this going to work for your business? Okay, let me give you some repurposing strategies. You're taking your blog posts and putting them onto Medium or even Substack. You want to select high performing blog content. So choose that engaging and informative posts that resonate with your audience. If you have a blog post that doesn't do so well, you can still try it on Medium, maybe change up the title, change up how you are wording things, make it a different type of way that you are writing. One of the things that I know about Medium is that we are very big on titles of articles. That's what bring people in. So you want to have that hook of a title that people are definitely interested in. And that's a great way for you to gain followers, for you to gain readers from your work as well. You can also optimize for the platform too. You can tailor format and headlines. You got to make sure that you are visually fitting the style of the platform. Substack looks a whole lot different than Medium does. There's a certain format. They have it where you have your headline, you got your subtitle, then you can add, especially with Medium, you can add a picture, if you want. But you're going to find that you're on Medium, there is a template, there is a way to put your articles out there to format them so that they look presentable. It doesn't mean you have to look like everybody else, but it is a great way for you to optimize. Another great way too is that you can actually embed video as well on your Medium platform. Substack, I'm not sure, because again, I'm just there. I have not been there for a long time. I have not personally seen any video. I've seen all writing on Substack. Okay, so you got to gauge in what the strategy and where you want to go and how you want to use Substack and Medium. Add exclusive content. Okay. Adding exclusive content is another way that you can repurpose, giving you some different strategies. You can offer bonus material or insight on Medium or Substack, and incentive is for them to subscribe. So that's more so for Substack. Now, if you want to offer bonus material for Medium, you can add exclusive content there, and you can have a way where you can structure your readings so that it's easily read for your audience. Like you can have different lists. I know that's some of the things that I'm putting together for my Medium articles, is having those different lists where it's easy for you to read certain subjects. Like I have a list of articles just for authors about email marketing. All right. Because that's something I'm going to be talking about in my next book. So I have that, and it's so easy for people to just go in there and read that exclusive content. And Substack as well, you can have an incentive subscription where people can subscribe to you. All right. So just the idea that I gave you about JR, if you're writing a book or writing several books like myself, having a Substack will be definitely beneficial, because people are going to want to know what you are doing behind the scenes, not just because people are naturally nosy, but because they want to see what you're doing doing so they can do it for themselves. Okay. Also, call to action. This is a great way for both your Substack and your Medium article. You can direct people to follow you on your Medium. Even on Medium, you can have different call to actions. Many people like myself sell books. We sell our digital products just from Medium. And also you can have people to subscribe to you, even on Medium as well, where people can get an email every time that you post a article. It's just like YouTube. You know how I tell you guys to hit that notification bell? It's the same thing with Medium. People can put their email address. So because it's an algorithm on Medium, is based upon, how many people are liking and, commenting on certain article. It's an algorithm, so Medium is an algorithm as well. So you can have people to subscribe and you can put that as a call to action in a couple of your articles. So people will know, hey, let me subscribe so I can make sure that every time she not upload a video, but every time she posts a new article, I will be the first to know, right? So you can do the same as well on Medium. All right. So let me give you some pros and some tips, some considerations when you are thinking about using Medium or Substack to repurpose your blogs. Maintain consistency. You have to regularly post, repurpose your content or original content on your blog. Okay. You got to remain consistent on these platforms. That's how you stay relevant. That's how you get people to follow you. That's how you get people to know you, like you, and also trust you. Promote your channel. So cross promote your Medium and Substack on your blog and your social media as well. That's a great way for you to repurpose those blog posts. A lot of the individuals that I follow, we all are in the business of repurposing our content. So a lot of us are using our blog posts inside of our books. So we're using Medium articles, we're writing out those Medium articles and creating books. You can definitely do the same. Create you some books, use a way for you to cross promote even inside your books. You can promote your Medium and say, hey, follow me on Medium. It's so many different ways, guys. It's a lot, and it's just, I'm grateful to know what to do and to that we have these options. You always want to track and analyze. So they both have ways for you to analyze and see what content is performing. You can look to see what people are liking, what's resonating. If you're I found a couple of my articles that are making me the most money, and because they're making me the most money, I'm going to recreate those articles or do a part two because people seem to resonate with those offers as well. Okay, or those articles. So think about that. Track, analyze, use the platform to know what to do next when it comes to your platforms. Okay. Transparency. Make sure you disclose that you're repurposing content, or you're making sure you add a new value or emphasis. Don't just copy and paste. Medium is a place where we love short articles. I'm used to reading short articles. If I wanted to read an entire thesis of a blog post, I would just Google to read someone's blog post on their website. All right. But I'm different. Some people are like me, some people are not. But I will tell you, a lot of the artists on Medium are straight and simple to the point. Make it simple. So if you're used to creating those long form blog posts on your website, think about breaking it down so that you can get at least 300 words or less, so that you can make sure that you're putting out that valuable content. And definitely change up the title for SEO purposes, because if you have a title on how to write a book on your website, and then you have on Medium how to write a book, you probably want to add some words into that to make it a little bit more different. Okay, so that is all for today's video. I hope that you learned something and sign up for Medium or Substack. I suggest starting with one or the other. All right. My favorite is Medium. Starting there. If you really love to write and you have the content you can repurpose right away, go ahead and get up there. Remember, Medium and Substack it's another social media platform. It's not something that you can write articles and leave. Now you can if you want, but you can't have the expectation that people are going to follow you. They may follow you if they know you on other platforms, but it's not going to get you in front of new people unless you're engaging with new people and other people. Okay. So listen, I would love for you to join my free newsletter where I'm sending you 3 quick and valuable resources to your inbox at Monday through Friday at 9:25 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm helping you to elevate your digital publishing business daily. Okay. So come on over. It's absolutely for free. I may have a Substack coming up because I'm writing and publishing so many books and people have questions. And I think that's a great way for me to pour into it. But I'll let you guys know. I'll make sure I'll let my YouTube family know. Okay. All right. So until the next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.